Alright guys, this is an update to the two trades. I just realized first of all the mic I had a mic I was using for my other video, but the sound quality is rubbish. So I apologize, but I can't do anything about this. First videos with YouTube are not supposed to be perfect. So if you did watch it to the end, or if you watch it to the end, or whenever you watch it to the end, I appreciate you for watching it to the end. Uh I'm using an inbuilt mic on the computer now, so hopefully that's a better sound quality. If it doesn't, I might have to invest in a small microphone. But for now, I'm just dropping an update. As you can see by the screenshot, I'm going to put somewhere around there. I'm not sure where, but somewhere around there. The USD card and GBP USD trade ideas went bust. As you can see, this was a destruction and annihilation of my stop loss. So this happened yesterday. Um, this was yesterday, 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock ish when there was a proper confirmation that um, Mr. Trump and Iran had really come to a deal. The dollar went parabolic. If we look at where is the DXY should be somewhere. I'm not sure where it is. Let me pull that up. Yeah, there we go. You can look at this is DSY and the weekly. If you go into the 4 hour, look at that beauty. Monstrous candles, monstrous candles took me out, which is fair. I'm not complaining about it in this business. These things are expected to happen. So that happened, and GBP USD as well. By the way, I'm still holding this. This hasn't triggered yet, so I'm still waiting for that to happen. Yeah, and then you can see. Okay. You can see the GBP USD trade finally took me out aggressively. The one thing I said starting this YouTube channel was I'm never going to kind of cut a trade just because I feel like it is going to it's going to go against me. For the past 2 3 weeks, I've taken a few trades where where it went through, but it took a long time. It took a few days, consolidated for a few days before it went through. And then in that consolidation, jittery, lack of confidence, I closed the trades and a small loss or in a big loss or break even, and those trades ended up playing out. So doing this video, doing this YouTube is just to kind of keep myself accountable with not cutting trades out. Allow the distribution, allow the wins and the losses come the way they want to come. If in the process that happens, I blew an account, that's fine. I blew the accounts. I'm using a few funded accounts which are heavily in drawdown right now, but I'll make a video about that at some point in time. But this is where we are right now. GB USD and USD card. I know they're both cross pairs of the USD, both failed. So there's that, and it happened, and I just move on. Like as you can see, I have another trade idea brewing up here. This can be a potential play to continue selling off. And like I said, I look at the daily time frame. I play with the daily time frame, and then we can potentially target this lows as a potential target right there as potential target. So that can be an easy 3 hour trade. Just aim for 3 hour trade somewhere around there. Now that's something that can definitely work if we keep selling off like that. But if we keep selling off, we're going to keep selling off because as long as the dollar keeps maintaining its strength. And then USD card, it's going to be between USD card and USD card and USD CHF. This is USD card right now, so we might look for something within this line to buy towards there. I have something else on USD CHF. I can find where it's laying down. Yeah, You can see you as a CHF. I have something where you're sitting down. I was bullish all the way until we got to resistance. So I've been buying and I bought a few from here. This is what I'm talking about. I took a trade from here. I'm not sure. I think somewhere around here, or perhaps there. I'm not sure. I have to check. But it was the fear of it not going on. Yeah, I took a trade somewhere around there. The whole point is the right there at this point. I just chose to at 79.27. I was worried that it was going to come and take me out or something, and then I closed the trade, and then this happened. So if I just took my hands up, it never really took me out. If I took my hands up and not interrupted the process, this would have been a proper win. I would have taken it all the way up to resistance. So there, the trade didn't work out. I will post more videos of trade ideas are going. For now, I just want to leave an update of the previous video I've just posted, which is the trade did not work out. So peace.